In his 2013 budget speech, Finance Minister Henry Rotich proposed to remove restrictions on foreign ownership of insurance agents to encourage bancassurance. Banks in Kenya are thriving and boast deep-rooted client networks. Bancassurance provides an additional revenue stream besides the core loan book business.
The other aspect is on the insurance side, which for me is very exciting. We already have a lot of business that we underwrite today. So the first steps is to, and we are regulated today, we have a license from the IRA. So we're able to run that business and we're able to say, other than moving the premiums out, can we start selling premiums today to an insurance company where actually we have an interest to take a controlling stake? So KCB will actually move forward into ownership of insurance company. And why not? If you look at South Africa today, you look at Singapore today, Malaysia, it's the same thing. And we like to build that capacity. That is a plan for this year.
In Kenya, there are fewer than 4,000 insurance agents serving 40 million people. The challenge of reaching those potential clients results in the low rate of penetration in East Africa's biggest economy.
We need to look or relook at the way we distribute insurance, and that's why in a way you have seen a lot of interest in bancassurance currently and a lot of interest in distributing insurance through mobile phones, making it convenient for the customer to buy or purchase insurance, so they don't have to go out of their way to get insurance. They can do that as they go about their normal life.
Bancassurance brings all our 180 branches in Kenya and our 7,000 agents. So 170 branches, 7,000 agents selling a particular, and it's basic products. But we also believe that our innovation will be about our customer buying insurance through the mobile phone, through Mbenki, through Mobi. That must happen. Those two need to happen. What we bring is also the trust and confidence. We are a trusted partner. We've been here for many years. We can then say for customers, if I'm in Unguja down, or I'm in Migori, or I am in Kwale, if I see KCB selling me a product, if I have a problem, they will pay my claim.
Despite over 40 insurance players in the Kenyan market, penetration stands at a mere 3%. But if one was to break down that number, just who is insured in Kenya?
When you look at that 3%, when you break it down, you're talking about 1.8% is general, about 0.7% is life, and a great number of that number comes from the corporate. So when you look at the actual individuals, it's a very small number that are taking insurance. So these are the challenges that perhaps these guys coming in, they're going to face. So it's a difficult situation to address. But I guess I see one of these products that the industry has started to enroll is the microinsurance, perhaps trying to penetrate the mass market. Perhaps that will go a long way. But personally, I think some of those fundamental issues like unemployment and the poverty levels, if they address them, perhaps we might see the number move up.
Kenya's rapid urbanization, growing middle class, and low insurance penetration has presented an opportunity for Johannesburg-listed MMI. The company acquired Canon Assurance this year for a non-disclosed amount.
The first thing that this says to me is that the growth potential in the insurance sector here is huge. There's no doubt that the South African market, for that matter, is saturating. I don't think they can realize the sort of growth anymore that you could here. So it's not surprising that the big boys from out there are looking at us seriously. One of the questions that you may ask is, are we not already enough? Which is why I like the MMI route, where they have acquired an existing underwriter as opposed to starting a totally new insurance company.
Bancassurance is not only expected to put extra income in the bank's coffers, but also to help deepen insurance penetration in Kenya.
One of the challenges that banks have right now is they're trying to move away from concentration from their non-fee-based income. Okay, so they're trying to concentrate more away from the interest income. They're trying to boost their fee income. So in terms of forex trading, bonds investing, and now we're seeing, basically transaction based. So like, for example, bancassurance. So I guess that's a trend you're likely to see, because when you don't want to be in a situation where you're relying only on interest income. So yes, we've seen that has been taken up by the top 3 banks. So I guess that's a trend that you're likely to see, spread out across the whole sector.
It's actually proven globally that bancassurance has been able to triple, quadruple the amount of growth in insurance sector. So it is bringing new people into the net that were not existing. So it's an area that I'm very excited. Few people have done it in the market. Some of our competitors already were early enough, but we are saying that because we have a largest network today as a bank, and some of them are our customers, why should my customers today go somewhere else? I should give them some solution for them to say, this is a good one for me, let me go for it. If not, can you improve it?